Hi everyone, you're welcome back to today's video. If you're just joining me for the first time, this channel is all about product recommendations and relationship talk. So in today's video, I am going to show you how to produce original stretch mark cream. Stretch mark is a natural thing that can happen to anyone. It is mostly caused by stretching of the skin, such as weight gain, childbirth, using of chemicals and excessive creams and harsh creams on your body. Whichever way, this product I'm going to show you is very effective and it works. All you have to do is keep applying it and have patience. There was a time I had stretch mark on this part of the skin, and I had this product with me. I've been using them for decades and it's been very effective. Of recent, I've had a lot of posts and questions and comments of people asking for what they can use to cure the stretch mark. That is why I've decided to show you this product. Okay, so then this is natural honey. Please make sure you get the original honey. I got this one from the village. You can see it has a lot of particles on it. Make sure you get the original honey, because if you get the fake one, I'm not sure you're going to get the same result. Okay, then I have shea butter. This is shea butter. Some persons call it ori, and in Delta State it's called ukuma. So this is natural shea butter. Okay, you all know the benefits of shea butter on the skin. And then I have olive oil. This is olive oil. This olive oil, it's just extra virgin olive oil. You know, olive oil comes in different forms, but just make sure you get the main one, the original one. Okay, and then I have Jamaica black castor oil. Okay, I have Jamaica black castor oil comes in different forms. This is one I have. It's very nice and very effective. Even if I'm to renew any castor oil, I'm still gonna get this. But if you have any other castor oil, black castor oil or whatever, you can use it. This is one I have, and this is the one I use to produce a stretch mark cream. And also I have coconut oil, 100% extra virgin coconut oil. That is what you all need to produce your stretch mark cream. We're gonna go to the kitchen and I'll show you how to add these products together to get a good and effective stretch mark cream. So guys, we're in the kitchen now. So these are the products we have here. We have natural honey, shea butter or ori or okuma, and then we have olive oil, castor oil. This is the castor oil I have, Jamaica black castor oil. You can also get any of the castor oils that is original. And we also have coconut oil. Alright, put a little portion into the pan. I'm not gonna put much because I already have the one I'm using. Okay, add shea butter. Heat for some time. So this is how the stretch mark oil is going to look like after it cools off or after you're done. Then just use a little and apply it on the part you have stretch mark every morning and night, and then with patience. Thanks so much for watching. Thanks so much for visiting my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and share this post because it might help a lot of persons. It might save a lot of cost. I appreciate once more. I hope to see you in my next video. I'll be dropping videos on how to produce rice water, and also how to lose weight fast without visiting the gym, and lots of videos. Please make sure you subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell.